During intercourse between males and females, male sperm enters the female's reproductive tract, where it fertilizes the female's egg, resulting in the creation of a child. So in today's video, we will comprehensively explain the entire process of sperm formation, a process called spermatogenesis. In males, sperm production takes place in the testes. All males have two testes located inside a pouch called the scrotum, which hangs below the penis. Inside each testis, the tissue is divided into many lobules, and each lobule contains numerous thin, coiled tubes called seminiferous tubules. This is where sperm is actually produced. If we zoom into the cross-section of a seminiferous tubule, we mainly find two important types of cells, spermatogonia and Sertoli cells. Spermatogonia are stem cells lining the tubule wall, and they are the starting point of sperm production. Some of these cells then differentiate and enter meiosis, becoming primary spermatocytes. Each primary spermatocyte undergoes the first meiotic division, called meiosis I, splitting into two secondary spermatocytes. These secondary spermatocytes then undergo a second division, meiosis II, resulting in 4 cells called spermatids, each containing just 23 chromosomes, half the normal number. These spermatids then go through a transformation process called spermiogenesis, where they mature and develop a head, midpiece, and tail, turning into fully formed spermatozoa. This entire process is driven by hormones. Testosterone plays a central role, but it works alongside 2 other hormones, FSH, follicle-stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone, released by the pituitary gland, which together regulate and stimulate sperm production. Meanwhile, Sertoli cells act as nurse cells, providing nourishment and structural support throughout the process. At this stage, the spermatozoa are fully formed, but still not motile. They can't swim yet. So they're transported to the epididymis, a long coiled tube sitting on top of each testis, where they mature further, gain motility, and are stored until ejaculation. That the process inside the testes, from spermatogonia to spermatozoa, takes approximately 64 to 74 days, and after that, the sperm spend another couple of weeks maturing in the epididymis before they're fully ready for ejaculation.